Nature gives infinite possibilities. Technology, innovation of our world. We are always thinking about how to use science and technology to change the world, create the future, and promote the transformation and upgrading of the new energy industry. Shenzhen Yinli Electric Manufacturing Company Limited. Shenzhen Yinli Electric Manufacturing Company Limited was founded in 2008. We are the professional production home base of new energy vehicle products by Ningxia Yinli Electric Company Limited, and we are the co-supplier in the field of power metal magnetic components for most of the new energy vehicles brands. We are located in number 19 Danzi North Road, Kengzi Street, Pingshan District, Shenzhen, China. We cover an area of 5,500 square meters with more than 300. The production base is located in Huizhou Yinli Electric New Energy Vehicle Industry Base, Huiyang District, Huizhou City, covering an area of 23,000 square meters with more than 600 employees, mainly engaged in the research, development, manufacturing, and service of magnetic components, charging piles, and energy storage cabinets. We have a 100,000 class dust-proof workshop. Our industry-leading automatic reading, laser reading, automatic testing equipment. YPS Yinli Production Management System is an industrial internet enterprise that takes YPS as the core, connects manufacturing elements, collects process data, integrates information, builds production and operation management solutions for digital chemical plants, and realize intelligent manufacturing technology. We strictly implement the quality management system of IATF 16949, automotive industry, and TS 22163, real trusted industry. Every product has a quality traceable code, which can be traced to the actual measurement data of each product's electrical performance process. It is good for facilitating batch CPK data analysis and 4M quality traceability. Our quality place is to deliver good products to the customers, leave safety to everyone, and dedicate green to the society. Yinli Electric is committed to become the leader of domestic leading and world-class power electric magnetic components. Therefore, it has been approved by the National Development and Reform Commission to establish the only national local joint engineering laboratory for power electric magnetic components in China, the leading intelligent simulation platform for magnetic device, mounting physical field coupling simulation to realize intelligent and efficient design of products and solve the problems of long cycle time, high cost, discrete design process, and slow response of existing magnetic device development methods. We mainly produce magnetic devices, charging piles, energy storage cabinets in the field of new energy vehicles. Magnetic devices. We integrated new energy vehicles assembly with boost-fast charging features. It can effectively reduce the mileage and safety of electric vehicles. High-voltage system boost can meet the system operation of motor driving. We implement automatic production, from processing same automation to multi-process inline automation, and then gradually promoting the product line to fully automated production mode. Charging piles. We can meet all kinds of installation scenarios based on the various form of new energy vehicle and their voltage charging piles. Energy storage cabinet. Our intelligent storage cabinet can access photovoltaic, wind power, thermal power, load, electric vehicles, and other multiple application scenarios of electrical energy output and storage. all our products are favored by the customers because of the product characteristics, which are low loss, high frequency, lightweight, automotive grade, and customization. We have been awarded a number of national innovation and utility patents, Excellent Supplier Award for New Energy Vehicles, Quality Improvement Award. We passed SGS certification of ISO 9001, IATF 16949, and TS 22163 Quality Management System in 2019. The exploration of science and technology never stops. Fortunately, explore the world with science and technology to be a supplier of better understanding of new energy vehicles and power electronic, electromagnetic components. Shenzhen Yinli Electric Manufacturing Company Limited